Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and I have another oak on the mill, specifically a white oak. I haven't milled in a week. I had the cold, and it's really settled in my lungs and my head, but I think I'm on the tail end of it now, so sorry about the voice, but it is what it is. I kind of took it easy in the last week or so, so we got a white oak here. Hopefully I don't have any more oak. I still have some more oak logs, but I think this is going to be the last wood I need for my project this year. It's November 1st today, and so we're getting to the end of 2022, and you know, winter's going to set in, so I need to get this little project I have done. So I need four 4x4 posts set of this. So the length of this, it looks like it's going to be a 10-footer. It's a really wonky, well, I was trying to say it's a really wonky tree. I can't even hook onto it. Well, come on, tape. Yep, 10 feet 8 inches. I do have this size raised up. Try to center up the centers if I could, the pith. 14, what did I say this side was? 17, so 14. We should get a 9-inch cant on a 14? 10-inch cant. We should get a 10-inch cant on a 14. So you guys know me, I'll make it a little big, leave a little waning on it, so I'll get a few boards out of it too. So enough talking. And more working, Jerry. I think it's all locked in. Yep. All right, get the mill fired up, and here we go, guys. First pull. Well, guys, I got the 4 4x4s I needed. I ended up getting 2 3x3.5 as well. My 4x4s I made 3.5x3.5 just so I knew I'd get them out of it. And it looks like I got a 1.5 by 10 inch as well. That log fought me. You know, it had like horns, hook'em horns on them, you know. That hook'em horns, yeah. And I just couldn't. I kept having to recut. You saw that. Usually I don't flip, after I flip it 180 degrees, I flip it up 90, then I take my 3.5 inch cut after that, but I wasn't sure what that cant was going to yield, so I flipped it one more time, and I did build my cant all the way around before I started cutting my board, just to make sure I'd get it all out of it. But I've been milling a lot of oak. You're probably sick of seeing oak. This is white oak. This will be a ground contact, though. These are going on. You saw me haul that deer blind last year out to my other property. If you watch that video, it's back. It's in the playlist. Moving a deer blind, I believe it's called, or something along the lines of that. Go check it out. But I moved that deer blind, and I still have the hay wagon underneath it. I have the hay wagon all jacked up, tires off the ground, but I have 4x4s on one side now. Put 4x4s on the other side. I'm going to attach it to the deer blind, and then I'm going to lower the hay wagon down and pull the hay wagon out and use my hay wagon. I've got two of them. I got another hay wagon over there, but this is a nice hay wagon, and I don't want it to just rot out there, right? I could use it. So if I ever have to move the deer blind again, I'll move it. It's an 8x16 deer blind. So guys, that's going to do it. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up. Hey, go ahead and leave a comment. That's the best thing you can do to help a YouTuber out. You know, that gets the system, puts it in the system a little bit more. And go ahead and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Well, they were right. The sun came out. It's supposed to be in the mid-60s today. Today's November 1st, if I haven't mentioned it. And the sun. We've had great weather. Now, a couple weeks ago, we had 4 or 5 days of straight rain. I guess that was 2.5 weeks ago. Rain and some snow. But since that 4 or 5 day stretch, we've had 60 and 70 degree sunny weather. I'm okay with it. Just makes everything. Makes winter a little bit shorter. You know, you get snow now, and we have. You know, we'll get our snow usually in November. We'll get some snow. Sometimes pretty substantial. And longer it's like this, you know, winter's not going to be as long. But I like winter. We like to do a lot of outdoor events in the winter. We do a lot of cross-country skiing and hiking and just all around. We should enjoy the outdoors in the wintertime. Oh, my voice. Abby, come here. My dog Abby here is 8 years old. We rescued her. We don't even know what kind of dog she is. She's been a great dog, though. What are you thinking, Abby? Just enjoying the sunshine, huh? All right. That's going to do it. That's going to do it. There you go. Still waiting for a customer to come and pick those boards up. Those boards, he's got those boards and all this stuff here. You can't see him, but he's got a bunch of 1 inch. I think he's got 500 board feet of 1 inch boards to pick up. All stacked and stippled for him, ready to go. All right, here we are, just rambling again. Have a great day, guys.